Hey guys, D8 Games here, and have you ever wanted to make a loading screen for your Gmod server? Like you've seen other servers have, like those custom loading screens that don't have the default Gmod logo and everything. Well, I'm going to teach you how to do that today. So, what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to get Gimp. I have Gimp open right here. Put the download link in the description. You're going to want to get back out of that, and you're going to want to go to screen resolution. You're going to right click on your desktop screen resolution. You're going to find your resolution right here, your recommended one. So mine is 1366 by 768. File, new, 1366 by 768. This might not be yours, but this is mine, so that's what I'm going to use. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to move all of this out of the way, and you're going to want to select your blend tool and then choose the colors that you want. So I'm going to use yellow and a little yellow and green there, right there. So I know it looks kind of gross, but there we go. So you can use maybe a screenshot of your server or something, but I'm just going to use this. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to use your font tool and just write down, like, let's say you now joined your server name. So yeah, what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to put your text right in there. You're going to want to choose your font. My font that I'm going to use for an example, I'm just going to use this right here. What I'm going to do, you have joined, and then colon, and you're going to want to switch the color to whatever color you want. I'm going to use black in this case. Then I'm going to put it like that font size, and then for just a default, we're going to put another text area, Yahoo, and we're going to say your server name right there. Just gonna make that a different color. Let's use a dark green, for example. Make it big. And let's just put parentheses about it. Yes. Let's just put it like that. And later we're gonna do some editing to that right now. So what we're gonna want to do, we're gonna want to not that. You're gonna want to go over here, right click alpha to selection, and you're gonna want to go to select grow, and you're gonna want to grow it by 3 pixels. So now what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to select the color that you want to fill it with. So I am going to fill it with a light blue color, like that, and fill it like so. You can, let's see, that's an ugly color for this in this case. So let's do a light green like we did last time for there, and then just going to zoom in, color it. There we go. Just need to get that. It'll work. There we go. And we need to check and make sure it's all filled. And if it is all filled, we can zoom out. Now what you're going to want to do after this, you're still going to stay at alpha to selection. You're going to go to filters, light and shadow, drop shadow, and you can change this all you want. And there you go, there's a drop shadow behind that. It's a lot nicer. And I need to go back in there and fill that up. Right there. Kind of zoomed in a little far. There we go, right there. Right there. Put this R right here. There we go. So now, what I want to do, fill that in, because that's completely wrong. There, right there. Now we're going to want to zoom back out, and we're going, oh gosh, did that seriously do that again? I don't know what's going on. But that doesn't seem like it's filled in ever. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to zoom back out. Sorry about that, but yeah, we're gonna zoom back out. And what we're gonna do, since we have that there, we're going to put like different specs of your server, like what you have on your server. We're just short. I'm just going to put like, say, let's get a different font here first. Dupe spawning. Oops. My mistake. Let's remove that layer right there. And we're going to dupe spawning. We're going to make this black. All this is going to be black. Make it big. And now we're going to just go back in there and press enter twice. And we're going to say, let's see, fun add-ons, and we'll say fun for all players. All players, not player. There we go. And now we're just gonna say, like, we're gonna put like who the admins are. So let's just put who the admins are quick, and then we'll be done. So we're just going to make it black again, and we're going to make it a different font. Let's make it Express SF, because that's really cool. And I'm going to put staff. I'm going to make this big. I can actually highlight it. Staff. And then just to make it short, we're just gonna move this up quite a bit. Steam won't bother me right now. I'll be a happy man, be a happy boy. And then we're just gonna want to press enter, and let's put admin your mom. And that's kind of too offensive. Let's just put Applejack, since I'm famous and stuff on Steam. Just kidding. But yeah, let's just put Applejack. And now to add your fancy yummy pictures. To add the pizzazz. We're kind of running out of time here, but oh well, I can record for a long time. We're gonna open as layers, file open as layers. We're gonna want to go to your pictures. Gonna want to find some of your stuff. So I'm gonna get this. this little Batman logo here, and drag it over somewhere like that. Let's put it right over here. And now we're going to open our next pictures layer. Should be somewhere in here. Here we are. This will be pretty good right here. Let's put it so it doesn't show like that area. And we're going to make it go behind all of the text. If I can do that somehow. Put all the text over it. If it'll let me. It won't let me for some reason. Put it right there. And then we're going to open our next images layers. If you want another image, you can have as many or as little images as you want, just to make it more eye-catching. We're going to put images. Yay, images. And, oh yep, there's our next image. I'm just using Batman images as an example. And we're going to make this larger, just cause. No, I'm not making that larger. I want to make that larger. There we go. And I don't know what's happening. There, let's see. This will just have to do. Just put it right there. Here, let's not use this one. Let's just undo that. We don't need it. So there we are, and we'll just move this here a bit. There we go. And yeah, no, your thing's pretty much done. So what you're gonna want to do is you're going to save this as something. I'll save it in, wait, not as XCF. You're gonna want to export to. Just call it loading page.png. And if I were you, I would save it in your pictures, just for a good place to save it. And I'm going to call it loading page EX, just for example. And it'll export. Select OK on that, and it'll export. Now what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go to your internet. It's kind of on here. This is what mine for my server looks like currently. And you're going to want to go to Flickr, like I was on right here. You're going to want to go to Flickr. Just go there. You're going to want to create an account. If you don't have one, I'll put the link to this in the description. You're going to want to upload. And you're going to want to choose photos and videos. And you're going to want to find it. Loading page. Mine's loading page EX. Loading page EX. There we are. And you don't need to add a description, just upload. Upload your photo stream. And I think this one looks a lot nicer than my other one does. I have no clue why. And once it's uploaded there, you're just going to want to click it. And once it's on this page, you're going to click it again. And there it'll be zoomed in it'll automatically, you're just going to go here, and you're going to want to copy this. Make sure you copy this. And now you're going to want to go into your Gmod servers folder, and you're going to want to go to Gary's Mod, CFG, auto exec, CFG. What I have to go into my thing and do that. So I'm just going to open WordPad. You can open Notepad if you want. I like WordPad a little bit better. And we are going to open and it's already there. Auto exec cfg.cfg. This is my older one. This is the one I'm using currently. So what you're gonna want to do, I'm just gonna let's see, how can I do that? Let's see, I'll just paste a new one. So what you're gonna want to type, you're gonna type sv underscore loading URL, and then that, and then that, and you're gonna want to take out HTTP, that stuff, and the www. Just take that out right there, and I'm gonna cut this. There we go. And after that, we're done. We're just gonna save it and close it out. And you're gonna want to go back into your Gmod server folder, start your server, and I will be back. I'll be back when the server started. I'm on Gmod. Thanks, guys. See you in a few seconds. Hey guys, as you can see, I'm in Gary's Mod, and I'm gonna show you what I meant. So you're gonna want to go to your server. I'm gonna go to my server right here. And it'll show up pretty quickly. I might have to redo it. Just get on it just so it can completely load. And yeah, so just let it load quick. And should come on. There we go. And it pretty much shows all of that right there. It has a Flickr logo in the corner. All of that right there. That's what it does. So yeah, it's pretty cool and I love it. So yeah, so thanks for watching this video, and I hope you had a good stay watching this. Okay, so thanks guys. Bye.